Welcome back on Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel. In this video, I will share IBA screening test paper intermediate category SALT portion of Islamiyat Pakistan Studies held on 25th June 2023 in the morning shift. Question number 86. Who becomes the president of Pakistan after the resignation of Ayub Khan? A. Muhammad Khan Junejo, B. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, C. Ziaul Haq, D. Yahya Khan. Correct answer is D. Yahya Khan. Question 87. New political map of Pakistan was released on 4th August 2020 by which government of Pakistan? A. Pakistan's People's Party, B. Muslim League Nawaz, C. Balochistan Awami Party, D. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. And the correct answer is D. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf. Question number 88. Khanjra Pass border which is crossing between A. China and Pakistan, B. Iran and Pakistan, C. Saudi Arabia and Pakistan, D. Afghanistan and Pakistan. And the correct answer is B. Iran and Pakistan. Question number 89. Dash is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. A. Fasting, B. Jihad, C. Witnessing of Shuhada, D. Prayer 5 times a daily. And the correct answer is B. Jihad. Number 90. Islam is the dash biggest religion in the world. Options are A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. And the correct answer is B. Second. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and also follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you.